You let me inside your mind. You made me feel what's inside of it. And when I look around, everything seems so familiar.
Hey guys, welcome to another video on the channel. Igama lami nguMabiyelo Muhle Ntombi Mzulu. Igama lami uSinhlalo Wabiyela, and I would really appreciate it if you guys clicked on the subscribe button, notification bell, so you get notified every single time I drop a new video. I'm so sorry for not posting last week. I was sick. No, really, I was sick, guys. I was sick, like really sick, but I'm back and I'm better and gorgeous as always. Guys, I forgot to update y'all, but I went to attend a class lana because I had one class that day. Guys, I'm back. Whoa, where's this thing? I'm just gonna use a knife because I don't know where my scissors is. Not gonna, guys, it's nothing major. Morning guys, welcome to another day into the video. Welcome to another day into the video. Today is Tuesday. I have a class at 4 and what else? Nothing. I have nothing interesting that's gonna happen after, but I'm gonna leave early because I have to go help my friend carry her fridge. So yeah, it's about 8. Let's get ready. Guys, I don't know what to wear, honestly. Like, I'm not looking going. Guys, I don't want these nails, man. Super variety. I want them to come off, and they don't wanna come out. Yo. And it's been over 4 weeks now. As a challenge. One thing about I'm a nail tech at Durban, especially by His Grace. They know they work. They do, bruh. Cause tell me how asa pelele wonke. Like all of my nails are still glued. And akunyakazi lutho mfana. Nothing is moving. Guys, I'm still undecided what things are going. I don't know what I should wear. Hi guys, welcome to another day into the video. I am late. I am going to class and you're late much. Let us go.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over.
I have a package coming tomorrow. I have a package coming tomorrow, guys. Morning. Good morning. It is Thursday. I have a package coming tomorrow. And 8, guys. 8. I have a package coming tomorrow. Today's Thursday. And what else? I have a class at 11. I only have one class, guys. From Monday to Thursday, I have one class. And then on Fridays, I have 2 classes. And a package coming. I bought a fridge with my own money. Saying like imagine, but it's empty because I have no money to buy food. But at least I have a fridge. I'm just gonna put some water. At least there's something. More water. Guys, don't mind my hair. I'm gonna fix it just now. But good morning. Welcome to the last day of the vlog. It's Friday. I get it. It's Friday, guys, and I didn't go to my first class because I woke up at 7. Sorry, I woke up at 7 and the class was at 7:30. And minangtati hour joke, guys, abang. So I skipped that class. Well, it's not like I was gonna understand anything because that lecture will talk about peanut butter. You're asking yourself, what's kanjan manjwa? Kumang peanut butter, it's wheat development studies. If it's not peanut butter, he's talking about giraffes. Like, Gonzalan. But it's fine. I am about to go to my second and last class for the day. Let me show you guys my outfit. Guys, my package has arrived. I bought a ring light, guys, for us. Langkudra.
Papa ini kasobonan. Sobonan nangal ini lang sobonan nangal.